Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. Today I want to give you an overview about a feature that was requested so often from our customers because it's so crucial in order to share your knowledge about chaos engineering experiments with your other teams in the organization and make it easy to start with chaos engineering. And this feature is called experiment templates. Let me give you an overview of it. So whenever you want to start a new experiment, you can choose to start from a template, and then you get an overview of all existing experiment templates. Whenever something is of interest for you, you can get, of course, more details, see the overall structure of the experiment and the motivation of it. And whenever you're ready to use it, you will guide it through the creation of that experiment by a nice custom wizard that makes it really easy to apply this template to your environment. Once you have everything set up, you can simply create the experiment and you will come into the experiment editor where you have the ready to be executed experiment. When you're interested in what experiment templates are already out there, you can always check the reliability hub where we have a list of all the available templates from Steadybit and also from the community. And when something is of interest for you, like for instance that Kafka template over here, you can see again the same details as in the platform. And whenever you want to use it, you can simply import it with a single button click, forwarding it into your Steadybit platform where you can simply import that specific template from the hub connection we have available. And whenever you want to create your own template, you can simply do that in Steadybit by using the template editor. It's a similar drag and drop editor as you're used to from the experiments, but with the additional power to create template placeholders, which are actually values that need to be identified from the user when using the template, and it results in the nice wizard that we saw earlier in order to make it really easy to use your templates. So just check all the templates out at the reliability hub and create your own templates, share it within your organization to make it easy to get started. And whenever you have something valuable for the chaos engineering community, feel free to file a pull request in order to share it with us in the reliability hub. And if you're interested to learn more, there are also additional videos on covering how exactly you're creating an experiment template or using it. Check them out as well and take care.